and welcome to the Meet Qt 5.7 on-demand screencast or webinar. My name is Tuukka Ahoniemi. I work in the product management at the Qt company. And today we'll take a look at our latest release, Qt 5.7. We'll start with going through some UI related items. We'll discuss a bit of our 3D offering with the new Qt 3D module. We'll take a look at the new UI controls we've introduced, the Qt Quick Controls 2. Talk a bit about the designer developer workflow with the Qt Quick Designer. Then we'll move on to modern C++ and how we kind of leverage that more now with Qt 5.7. We'll move on then to embedded side, discuss a bit about our embedded offering, and then finally we'll do a small overview on the licensing offering because there are some changes related to the open source licensing and we've open sourced a lot of new components for Qt 5.7. Let's start with some user experience side. So Qt has been around for over 20 years now, and the driving force for people to use Qt has really been in creating user interfaces and user experiences to meet their customers' demands or market requirements. So whether you're doing classic desktop look and feel, or whether you're doing modern touch-based embedded screens with, pins zooming and swipe gestures, or whether you're doing personalized mobile applications, or all of them with platform-independent multi-screen experiences, we have different UI approaches and all the tools you need to bring the wow factor for your end users. So instead of just offering one single silver bullet, Qt gives you different UI technologies and approaches for different use cases. So we have the traditional Qt widgets, the C++ based UI control library. We have Qt Quick, which is a declarative QML language and the C++ backend to do high performant touchscreen UIs. And then we have the Qt Web Engine that lets you do hybrid HTML5 and native applications. And of course then all the additional libraries on top of them like charts or data visualizations or now Qt 3D. The future of user interfaces is going towards 3D, and we are enabling you to take that step with us. It's always been possible to integrate 3D graphics into Qt user interfaces, and that's actually a really common use case, especially on the, let's say, on the data visualization and visual effects industry, that you have 3D content that you're interacting with a 2D Qt user interface. So you've always had the possibility for mixing and matching Qt with raw OpenGL as much as you want. However, raw OpenGL requires hardcore programming skills, so we've added additional libraries to make that easier for you. Let's start with Qt Canvas 3D. So Qt Canvas 3D is a module that we introduced a couple of versions ago. That's basically QML rendering canvas for adding 3D content written using JavaScript and JavaScript-based 3D libraries. So that's a really easy way for you to use web-based 3D technologies in your Qt Quick user interface. Then we've had the Qt data visualization library available for quite a while, and that's then a library for real-time or static 3D charting and data visualization. So that's a real nice kind of a convenient high abstraction level library as well. And now with Qt 5.7 we're introducing the Qt 3D library. Qt 3D is not only a library for you to render 3D graphics onto the screen. So it's not just drawing 2D representations of 3D universe, but it's also a generic framework for near real-time simulations. So what this means is that you can also do all kinds of simulations in the 3D universe, for instance, a physics engine, 3D audio, path collision, artificial intelligence, pathfinding, etc. The architecture for Qt 3D is built in a very extensible way. So what we now provide with Qt 3D is the basis for framework, and then it can be extended with these aspects. It also has the 3D object loaders for all the popular formats, so this is a very convenient way for integrating existing 3D models into your Qt user interfaces. Qt 3D is actually an excellent example of how our ecosystem and community and the Qt project work. Qt 3D is developed together with KDAB, our Qt service partner, who really have the expertise on this area to bring something like this to the Qt project and to the whole product. Then with Qt 5.7 we are also introducing something called Qt Quick Controls 2. So let's first start with what we've had earlier, and it's shown in the picture here. So Qt Quick contains the declarative UI language called QML, and QML only as a language contains more or less drawing primitives like rectangles and images, mouse areas, text elements, and so forth. However, already with Qt 5.1 we introduced Qt Quick Controls, which is a set of UI controls mainly targeted for desktop, meaning that you could do the same thing than with Qt widgets using QML. So they contain all these buttons and drop down boxes and menus, and they also provide a native look and feel for desktop. However, due to their architectural design, they do provide a lot of performance overhead on embedded platforms. So now we've redesigned the Qt Quick Controls architecturally so that they're mainly targeted for embedded and mobile use cases. So their architecture is sleek, performant. The new controls are divided into two parts. First of all, underneath there's something called Qt Quick Controls templates. So these templates provide the templates for all the controls for you to use and for us to use for the actual Qt Quick Controls too. We're providing an existing set of controls on top of the templates with a couple of styles. So we have the Google Material Design, we have the Microsoft Universal Design, and our own flat style for you to use. And of course you can create your own styles as well. So these controls are easy for you to take into use on your embedded projects or mobile applications. But if you want to create your own look and feel, for instance, for your product line of devices and applications, you can extend the controls templates with your own controls. Alright, let's move on to C++. First and foremost, Qt is a C++ framework, and it's a huge thing for us. The power of Qt in terms of portability, performance, and extendability come from the fact that Qt is built on top of C++. So Qt is always compiled using a native C++ compiler, thus resulting into native code and native performance without additional runtime overhead. Now, as the C++ standardization has moved forward and continuously is moving forward, we are following that progress closely. So we've already supported C++11 features in Qt 5, so that you've been able to use C++11 in your own code. But now with Qt 5.7, we're actually leveraging C++11 in our API design and implementation ourselves. More so, we'll be doing this even more in the future releases, ensuring that Qt stays on top of the modern C++ development. So on the other side then, what this means is that now as we're using C++11 in the Qt code itself, it cannot be anymore compiled with legacy compilers without support for C++11. However, don't worry, as Qt 5.6 is an LTS or long-term supported release, you can still use that as a parallel product for multiple years. So Qt 5.6 ensures compatibility for older compilers, and Qt 5.7 and onwards are integrating more tightly into modern C++ features. In addition to code libraries, Qt lets you reach your markets faster through our full tooling suite. So at the core of Qt tooling is of course the Qt Creator IDE, which ships with Qt and has now reached version 4, so we'll take a look at that next. And then for embedded development, we provide additional tooling and a pre-built software stack called Boot2Qt, which help you in creating a rapid workflow for your embedded projects. Let's start with Qt Creator 4. This was just released, and this ships also with Qt 5.7. You can use Qt Creator IDE for developing desktop, mobile, and embedded software. We've tried to make the workflow as seamless as possible so that it would be as easy to create embedded software than it is to create, desktop or mobile software. So within the tool, you're able to design user interfaces, write code productively, deploy to target platform, and run and test and analyze the software in the target platform, whatever it is. And as Qt Creator itself is written with Qt, it's of course cross-platform as well. The latest version of Qt Creator introduced a couple of really nice new features. One of them is shown here, the CLang static analyzer. This lets you find issues in your code already at an early phase. So not only at compile time, but while you're writing the code. Qt Creator 4 is also the first release under the new open source licensing scheme, which will take more closer look soon. But for Qt Creator, it means that we've now open sourced a lot of the formerly closed enterprise tooling under GPL license. For instance, the full QML profiler, which lets you analyze your memory and performance in detail for Qt Quick applications. In addition, for QML profiler, there's a new flame graph view available that kind of lets you visually examine possible bottlenecks of your application performance. One of the tools inside Qt Creator that has gotten a lot of improvements over the past versions is the Qt Quick Designer. So this is basically the drag and drop visual editor for Qt Quick in a similar way than Qt Designer is for Qt widgets. So with Qt Quick Designer, you can drag and drop your UI layout using the Qt Quick controls, and now with Qt 5.7 it contains all the new Qt Quick controls too, so it's a really powerful set together. You can manage the hierarchy of the elements, properties, and directly connect them to each other. Qt Quick Designer also separates the UI presentation or the UI form files from the UI logic, so that you do not need to work directly with any generated code. With Qt Creator and Qt Quick Designer, you can easily do rapid UI prototyping. So modify and tweak your UI visually, write some UI logic in the editor, and with single click from Qt Creator, you can then immediately deploy the new outcome to a desktop application or directly into your embedded device, which is really cool. And for embedded development, a big part of our Qt for device creation offering is the Boot to Qt software stack. Boot to Qt is a pre-built software stack that lets you get immediately started with embedded development. When you install the SDK, you can select your development board and flash your board with the pre-built image. So after that, the device is up and running with Qt optimized software stack, and the Qt Creator IDE is already integrated into directly deploying and working with the device. You can design, develop, deploy, debug, and analyze your application in the target hardware, or if you don't have the target hardware, you can also use the device emulator, which also gives you possibility to simulate sensor behavior, for instance. The whole stack is built completely using the Yocto project tooling, and you will have all the recipes so that you can easily customize the stack into your own production hardware or middleware needs. You can also easily add multiple different targets for Qt Creator, so you can switch between desktop deployment, the emulator, and different embedded target platforms for your same project. So this is pretty much as easy as embedded development can get, and you can really cut your time to market dramatically with the stack and all the Qt tooling and libraries. Finally, I want to do a small recap on the Qt open source licensing changes that we announced in the beginning of this year, as Qt 5.7 is now the first version that's released under the new licensing scheme. With this release, we're also making a lot of the formerly closed components available for the open source Qt users under GPL license. So we're now unifying the development offering for desktop and mobile platforms between open source and commercial Qt users. Qt 5.7 is licensed in the following way. All the Qt essential and add-on libraries, as well as Qt tooling, which now includes the formerly closed APIs and tools for desktop and mobile, are available under commercial or GPL license. For LGPL Qt users, you can still get the existing Qt essential and add-on libraries, but we've upgraded the LGPL version to 3 instead of the old LGPL 2.1, which is now removed from the licensing scheme. The older versions of Qt are naturally kept unchanged with the old licensing. And also note that even though Qt Creator and other Qt tools are licensed under GPL for open source, you can still use them with the LGPL Qt libraries without infecting your code. On the embedded side then, Qt for device creation remains a commercially licensed product with commercial only embedded tooling and, for instance, the Boot to Qt stack. But as we've open sourced new components under GPL, the GPL users will get more libraries for use for embedded development as well. For commercial Qt licenses, this does not include or introduce any changes to the product structure or the licenses. Instead, as we're open sourcing a lot of the components under Qt project development and maintenance, we'll get more contributions from the whole ecosystem that should result into better product quality for everyone. The libraries that we've open sourced for GPL are mentioned here. Qt Charts is a very popular API giving you a set of libraries for dynamic or static 2D charting that's been around for quite a few years now as a commercial only solution. Qt Data Visualization then provides 3D visualization and charting. Qt Virtual Keyboard is a full keyboard solution with custom keyboard layouts, themes, multiple language support, and also handwriting recognition. Qt Quick 2D Renderer lets you use Qt Quick without OpenGL support, for instance in lower level embedded devices, so that you can now expand your device install base and still keep using Qt Quick. Finally, Qt Purchasing is a cross-platform in-app purchasing API for mobile platforms, and this has also been made available for LGPL users of Qt. Together with the license change, we introduced an easy way for startups and small companies to acquire a commercial Qt license, the Qt Startup Licensing Plan. So now we offer the Qt for Application Development product, which contains Qt for all desktop and mobile platforms with a commercial license with the starting price of $79 a month for annual subscriptions. The startup plan is available for individuals or companies with less than $100,000 of annual revenue. You can find more information about this under qt.io/startup plan. Finally, like with every Qt release, we have a couple of experimental technology previews for you to try out with Qt 5.7. First of all, one module that's really cool for embedded development is the Qt Wayland Compositor. So with Qt Wayland Compositor API, you're able to do multi-process software for embedded, so you can do your own windowing systems and execute multiple processes at the same time in an embedded device. So you can build your own Wayland Compositor using Qt APIs. So that's really something to try out, and we're happy to hear feedback about the API. So what a technology preview means is that it's not yet fully supported and it's due to API changes, but on the other hand, it's quite close to being finished, so you can actually take it into use and play around with it, and you can expect the final version coming out in next version, most likely in Qt 5.8. The other nice tech preview that we have is the Qt SCXML. So SCXML is a format for state machines. So we've already had state machine integration in Qt Core already for multiple years, but with SCXML we're also adding support for the SCXML format and creating a kind of a runtime for interpreting the SCXML files. Then we have the Qt Gamepad module, which lets you interface with different gamepads. It's plugin based, so it's easily extendable. And finally, another extendable API is the Qt Serial Bus. That's a generic API for a device bus communication. In the first version, we have implementations for CAN bus, which is widely used especially in the automotive industry, and then Modbus API, that's a lot used in industrial automation. Alright, that's pretty much it. So let's do a short recap on the highlights of Qt 5.7. So first of all, we're introducing Qt Quick Controls 2, which is the library of UI controls for QML, now designed especially for embedded and mobile user interfaces. Qt 3D is fully supported, so that's a really cool module that people have been waiting a long time. Qt Creator 4 is included in Qt 5.7, so you get all the extended QML profiles. There's the Qt Quick Designer that works nicely with Qt Quick Controls 2. Qt 5.7 is fully leveraging C++11 and now also using it internally as well, which means that we no longer support the older non-C++11 compilers, but the 5.6 LTS supports them still for a few years. We've updated the licensing offering, so for open source the licenses are GPL and LGPL version 3. And with the change, we also open sourced a lot of new components under GPL: Qt Charts, data visualization, virtual keyboard, and so forth. And then these technology previews are also included, which we just went through. So with that, I thank you for listening or watching. Get Qt57 under Qt.io. Give us feedback and thank you.